The Gospels are a type of ancient biography. Burridge establishes that there are 5 categories to provide his analysis that there is a contrast between author and reader in ancient biography, which we find in chapter 7. These are number 1, introducing the examples, number 2, opening features, number 3, subject, number 4, external features, and number 5, internal features. These categories determine the conditions to decide if the Gospels belong to the genre of ancient biography. So let's take a look at each one of these. Number 1, introducing the examples. These include the writers of early work, Tacitus, Agricola, a genre of encomium biography, Plutarch's Cato Minor. Plutarch was a priest of the shrine at Delhi who wrote the parallel lives. Lucian's De Monax. He was more of an entertainer and comedian than a philosopher. Philostratus of Tyana wrote and published Lives of the Sophists. The number 2, the opening features, include the titles, the opening formula, the prologue, and the preface. Number 3, the subject. Manual analysis of verb subjects reflects this focus. Much of the work is concentrated and focused on one person. External features, the 4th broad category, including mode of representation or presentation, size, structure, scale, literary units, which include speeches and anecdotes, use of sources, methods of characterization, primarily indirect through narration of the subject's words and deeds. And then lastly, the 5th category, internal features. These internal features, by contrast, include setting. The subject is the focus of the setting. Topics. Biol contain a common range of topics and motifs which are not prescriptive, but which make up a commonly recognized group when taken together. But also their style. Biol could be written in a high literary style. There's atmosphere, 4 features of tone, mood, attitude, and values. There's quality of characterization. Emerging through the narratives, we may find some stereotypical and more realistic characters. Burridge is also interested in social setting and occasion of the writing and authorial intention and purpose. Burridge says that Biol are written to fulfill many different intentions, from the polemical to laudatory, from didactic to entertainment. And all of these can coexist in any one work. Finally, the central concept is that Biol have many intentions and purposes, often several at the same time. Burridge details the Gospels as biographical documents of the sort common through the Graeco-Roman world extensively.